All right, for problem number 12, it says a model airplane travels a distance of 45 meters. So I'm going to call this distance 45 meters. And then it gives me at a speed of, so I'm going to say velocity of 5.8 meters per second. Then it travels an unknown distance. We don't know what that is. But the second part of the trip, the velocity is 13 meters per second. And then the total time for the trip. Oh, I hate if I write too fast, it screws up the thing. Oh boy, this is so weird. You just gotta give it a second to catch up. There we go. Total time. Equals 83 seconds. Yeah. So I think there's a couple ways you could do this. There's an easy way and there's, I don't know, just remember that the relationship between the distance is the velocity over time. So if I want to find the time that it takes for the first one, I just got to take D1 and divide it by V1, and that'll give me T1, right? And so what's that? Well, I would say 45 meters divided by 5.8 meters per second. The meters will cancel, and then the second gets tossed up to the top. So I just got to plug that in Desmos. So 45 divided by 45 divided by 5.8. Oh, it always does that. 5.8. And so it takes about 7.76 seconds for that leg of the trip. Wrong thing there. Okay, I don't need this one anymore. So that takes about 7.76 . Okay. 7.76 seconds. So then that tells me the remaining time. So how do I find the remaining time? Well, I'm just going to say 83 seconds minus the 7.76 seconds. So let's do that. Because the total time was 83 seconds. And then if we subtract this number right here, 7.758.6, and we'll just stop there and hit enter. Oh, I did it wrong. All right, so it's about 75.2 seconds roughly. So this is about 70, what was that again? 75.24. 75.24 seconds. So remember that the distance will be equal to the velocity times the time. So to find this distance, oh, I hate this thing. Okay. I'm just going to take the velocity, which is 13 meters per second, times the time, which is 75.24. And let's see what we get. If I say 75.24, 75.24 times 13, oh, I hate this thing, 13, I get 700, or I'm sorry, 978 roughly. And so this is about 978. But if we think about the significant digits, the answer is B, right? Or significant figures. So that's it for that one.